What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing So Nice. Hello, volumes. My bad. My mother and somebody are talking, so you might hear them a lot. And my father, so I'm gonna make my voice loud. For Burlington, DC. Um, I'm just yes. Oh, I want him so bad. Oh my god, you don't know how much I want him. Bro, I want him so flipping bad. Oh my god. Oh, his name is Costume Prince. And then he turns into Slime King. Last time when I lost, I was just bad. But this time, I just wasn't careful. But this time, I'll be extra careful. Where'd my slime go, bro? Got any real one? Kinda mad. 12 damage. Okay, why am I even on my normal form, bro? See, I like his weapon in normal form, but I don't like his health in normal form. That's why I rather this guy. Slime I just love this guy. Fire light wave that pulls enemies in the air. Bet. Oh yes. Yeah, I just want to test it. Oh yeah. Me love it. I wish I had a melee weapon so I would use that, but sadly, no. Okay, that's a base. Okay, which one's better? Snow Fox L or Castle Scarlet? Wait a second. This doesn't cause damage? I mean, it doesn't cause energy? What? OP. What about this? This either? Wait, this. It's kind of crazy. I don't care how much damage you do. Too easy. I don't even know. To the shared mercenary station, please. Yeah, I have a robot. Let's go, robot-y. Pretty sure the reason I died last time is because curiosity killed the cat and I got out of my farm. Bruh, I don't need this. Okay. Unstoppable. Okay, that's because it. Okay, okay. No, no. I just suck. But like, I'm not gonna suck any longer. Nothing will have a tactic for her. What's a skill cooldown? Oh, the jump. Oh, I forgot to use the jump. Oh my god. I forgot that this jump is a thing though. Oh, oh yes. But this guy is actually good. Why? See what I mean by curiosity killed the cat? I just like that. In a bad way. Huh. Yeah. Um. Wait a sec, guys. Um. I'm back. Oh, give me a second there. What does that do? Retry. That thing. There's so much things outside the game, and I don't follow the things outside the game. I just follow the things inside the game. Okay, that was. See what I mean by these sharks, bro. Yes, it doesn't cost energy, bro. This guy's in. I think I'm gonna stop the video right there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right there. Peace out, guys.